Hi, in this video I'm going to give an introduction to some visualization using Jupyter Notebook. Now I have created some data based on some public data available on Statistics Singapore, and the data I extracted are just a list of data showing the number of passengers per year using the MRT. Here you have the year started from latest, and then the number of passengers traveling the MRT every year. We start by importing pandas and matplotlib, and then seaborn. And then we set the seaborn to be the default style for this presentation. Right, so the purpose of this video is to set up some illustration, and I started by setting a picture size and then a bar plot, and on the x-axis we have year, and on the y-axis we have number of passengers, or we have passengers, and this is in thousands, right? So we might want to enhance the information a little bit, maybe turning the year ticks so that we maybe can easier see them, and we can do that by using pt sticks, and then we rotate them a little bit, and let's enhance the font size to 13, for example. So let's see how that looks. So here we have rotated the year a little bit, so it's slightly easier to read, and the font size has been increased. Now let's also enhance the font size on the y-axis. Okay. Now we want to maybe give some more information on the y-axis. So let's put a label on it. So we call that y-label. And that enables us to put some text on the y-axis. So that's number of passengers in 1,000. Okay. We may want to set the font size of that label to the same 13. Right, so here we have number of passengers in 1,000. We can also put a label on the x-axis. But yeah, we can do that, but actually we can see that this is in year, but let's just put it up x label. Right, so you can see that we have year underneath, but I think we will omit this and add a title to the graph. So to add a title, it's plt title, so number of passengers traveling by MRT per year. And we may want to change the font on the title, right? So let's make that a bigger font. So font size 16, and let's put a font weight right. So here we have created a visualization showing the number of passengers traveling by MRT per year. We can also change the colors. Let's just try something. We could change the color for the bar to, for example, red. And if you want to save this to a file, you can actually just use plt save it, and then give it a file name. So t.png. Right. So now it should save the image as well to a file. And here it is. You can see that it's in the same folder as where the Jupyter notebook file is.